All right, so the next thing to cover is the wireframe. Okay, so basically a wireframe is either like a hand-drawn sketch or a digital one that you try to lay out the design of your website. Okay, each page specifically. Now, normally we would just start with probably the home page and then kind of go from there. So, for example, I made this little one here. You see, so I might make something and it'd be like, okay, so I would draw out, like I could just take out a piece of paper and I would just draw boxes as I think I would want to lay them out. So I'll be like, okay, and then I could just label it like logo, maybe a slogan, nav bar, put a slider here, services, work, courses, contact us, about us, news, so on and so forth, right? And you see it's just boxes. You lay them out and then you use that as a guide later on to make the site. Now, what's nice about that is that you can actually take show this to a client, like what you want it to look like. And you can even go a little bit farther too. You could sit with a client and just draw it on a piece of paper with them in front of them. But then maybe later on, if you want to make a digital version, you can actually put in a logo and, write the words that you want and, use like placeholder images for the slider and your pictures and stuff. Like just have like really rough versions of everything and dummy text and put all that in there, and you can go a little farther. But you would directly take this, and then you would make a site. So you can see here, if you look at the two here, you can see that basically this is a direct thing of that. See? So you can see here's the logo. Let's see if I get these both in here. Slogan, there's the slogan, there's the nav bar, there's the nav bar. I just have this, not really a slider, but, well, you can say he's sliding when he's walking. And then services, work, courses, contact, and then about, you understand what I'm saying? But basically, I take this exact thing, and I use that as a shell to build the site off of, okay? So that's what a wireframe is. And that's actually going to be your assignment this week.